Today at UPR, this is a kit for all you folks that have been calling and begging for this kit. So it's for a Kia Telluride. We're going to go ahead and start the installation by putting the catch can on the washer bottle. So we're going to remove the 10mm bolt here and install the bracket. Just snug the bracket for now so you can adjust the catch can position if needed. Remove the engine cover by picking up on it. And use a pair of pliers to remove the hoses. You're going to start by removing this set of vacuum manifold hoses first to gain access. It's just a little squeeze clamp. Squeeze that clamp and pull it back. Pull the hose off and bend it to the side. Next, you're going to access the PCB hose, which is at the back of the intake manifold behind the throttle body. Also uses a squeeze clamp. To remove that hose, it'll be easier with a flat blade screwdriver. Just kind of get in behind the hose and push it off. Remove the clamp the rest of the way. In the kit, there'll be two sizes of hose. One will be 3/8, one will be half. Half is the hose that goes to your intake manifold. It's going to be a very tight fit, so to help install it, use a little bit of engine oil on the fitting. When installing the fitting, use a supplied clamp. You can tighten the clamp with a 6mm socket. The next hose to install will be the PCB hose. You're going to put the barb fitting and the collar on the provided hose. Push it into the hose that was there. It's very difficult to see where to actually connect it because it's all behind everything on the engine here. Install the hoses onto the catch can with the provided hose end covers. tighten the bolt that holds it down. You have a zip tie that you can use to secure this along some of the other hoses underneath the hood. Reinstall the vacuum manifold. That's your catch can for Kia Telluride. Get yours at uprproducts.com or any UPR products dealer.